This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Heidi Dos Santos. Property is to be sold as is. Seller will make no repairs. Adorable ranch located at the end of the cul-de-sac, 3 beds, 2 bath, open floor plan family room and dining with cathedral ceiling and skylights. Kitchen has double ovens and a gas range in the island. Property sits on a large lot, with lake access. 2 sheds, covered back porch. Water heater is only a year old. Great community in Burnett's Mill close to shopping, and easy interstate access. For more information, review the details below.